Hello and welcome to the channel. So you fancy changing your third brake light? Perhaps it's because you prefer a different colour or it's broken like mine is. This is a quick video to show you how to do that. So to start you're going to need to remove these 3 nuts, and they're an 8mm. I'll suggest using an extension just so you can easily get to them. It's quite a long thread, but as you're coming to the end, just carefully remove the nut just so you don't lose it inside the actual boot lid. There'll also be a spring that you have to take off after you've taken off the nut. After removing all 3 nuts and springs and put them to one side, it's time to remove this trim panel. You'll need a crosshead screwdriver to remove the 2 screws, and then the panel will just come away. Beneath this panel you'll see a single wire connector. You just grab each side and give it a good tug, and it should come apart. Following a failed attempt to get the brake light out in one piece, I just decided to break it apart as I was disposing of it anyway. And then use the plastic trim tool to remove the rest of the light unit. I found the replacement light quite easily online, and the quality between the two is quite similar. The only thing I found is that the seal needed sticking down. So after taking off the protective plastic, I used a dab of super glue just along the edge to fix it into place. A wipe down of the inner lip on the boot lid will ensure a good seal, and then you're ready to fit the new light unit. You'll need to feed the connection wire through this little hole first, and then you'll be able to pop the new light fitting in. Once installed, just reattach the connection wire. A quick check to make sure the light works, and then you can start putting it back together. Starting with the little trim panel, then the 3 nuts and springs. I put the spring onto the thread first, then carefully put the nut back on. I tightened them up and then backed them off half a turn just so that it allows for a bit of vibration in the unit. And that completes the job. I think it looks a lot better with the clear light against the silver paintwork, and only cost £20 and 20 minutes to fit. Thanks for watching.